Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to update system on your TOSHIBA 32WA2363DG. To do it, simply go to the settings, and to go to settings you'll need to just go to the right. I haven't found a settings button on the remote yet, so I don't know how to do it with the remote. Just go to the very top of the home screen, then go to settings, right? Like that. Let's wait for the settings. Now go to device preferences, then go to about, and there should be an update option, system update at the top, right? Okay. Now we'll start checking for update. Let's see if there's any. Okay, it's up to date. I didn't know that. It didn't look like it is, but it's here. So I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.